Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a Minimax Hello AI kissing tutorial. So how can you create this scene inside the Hello AI? So now step one is we just need a prompt, a proper prompt which can help us create a perfect scene, almost perfect scene, and which does not create any kind of violated words inside the Hello AI. Now to make a prompt you can write it manually, but if you're not good at prompt engineering or making prompts, so you can just directly go to ChatGPT and ask or give a prompt like this one. Like as you can read, I need a decent kissing scene prompt for Hello AI, one male and female 25 to 30 years old. Make sure to analyze Hello AI policies and give me a detailed prompt for it, which can generate scene like this. Now after that, it thought for 17 seconds and it gave me a prompt like as you can read, text to video prompt. This is for the safe romantic kiss. If you want to go with text to video prompt, you can just read this one. If you want to go with image to video prompt, that is also your choice. You can just use this prompt as well. And this is, and ChatGPT also gave me some variant for image to video. Now for my you say that for what I tried, I just used this text to video prompt, just copied this whole prompt and to this section, copied it and pasted it inside the Hello AI right here. And it just created a video for me. Now I already made a video, so let me show you the video that I already generated. Now, as you can see, like this is the same prompt, Google our rooftop in the modern city, two adults. And here is the prompt, golden hour rooftop in the modern city, two adults. This is the same prompt. And the results it gave me are amazing. As you can see the results as well. So these are almost realistic and perfect results. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can create these kissing scenes or kissing visuals inside the Hello AI.